Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Russell update for you guys. Russell's still looking strong. I mean, I don't know why why do people sell so quickly, man? Like, man, I miss 2024. Do y'all miss 2024? Or are y'all new to the space? Is this your first time in crypto? If this is your first year in crypto, it might be freaking fantastic, man, for you. I gotta say, it might be really fantastic for you. It really might be fantastic for you if this is going to be your first year in crypto. But man, do I miss 2024. 2024, you bought a coin and it actually just went up and kept going up. It actually did that. Imagine a world where your coins actually just keep going up. Doesn't that seem so strange now? Oh my gosh, someone please help me out, help me. Alright, so Russell right now is sitting at 6.4 million market cap. Chart still looks great. Man, it was at 7.3 last night. I was like, okay, we starting to climb up. People already started to sell. Bring it back down. Jeez Louise, bro. You can see on the 1 month it's coiling up here, especially in the all chart. I'm seeing higher lows, man. I'm seeing stronger and stronger floors being made for Russell here. And you know, that's what you like to see, man. That is very bullish here. And like I said it multiple times. Like I said, don't overinvest. Never invest more than willing to lose. This is a meme. It's going to be volatile. It could drop 80%. It could. Then you put in, 6 to 10K, 20K in the Russell and it drops 80%. Will you be able to live with that downside? I wouldn't. I ain't got the balls for that unless I had like unless I had like 600-700K, had 20K to play around with, right? So would you feel, say you invest $643 into Russell right now and it drops 80%? Would it really hurt you that bad if you lost $643? I don't think so. I wouldn't feel bad about that. That really wouldn't, put any stress on me. I'll just make that back, Just make that back, So this is why I say never invest more than willing to lose, guys. I think 100,000 Russell is a great buy. The downside may be limited. We'll see. I think the downside is limited, but the upside is massive because let me be conservative. Say we just get a $300 million Russell and not actually a billion market cap, right? That 100,000 Russell is still going to be 30K. 30K is a lot of money, man. 30K to have in your hand right now. You're not a millionaire, but you could reinvest the 30K. Crypto is not going to go anywhere if you make that 30K. And there's going to be other opportunities in the future. I'm just saying, right? So I mentioned it in a previous video, xt.com, talking about Russell here, which is very bullish. Let's take a look at X. Anybody saying anything on X for Russell that are bold posting Russell, man? I see the community getting a lot more active. From base Lensco, about to explode. Do not fade the Coinbase dog. The log chart looks beautiful. Like, I'm telling you guys, this is what I said with Murad, right? Murad says look for coins with multiple 90% drawdowns, which Russell has. Look for coins that are outperforming Bitcoin, which Russell is doing, and look for coins that make a new high. Once they make a new high, that coin enters a massive parabolic phase that you don't see elsewhere. Let me show you guys something, right? I already probably deleted the line, but if we take a look at SPX 6900 here, man, my biggest fumble, my biggest regret in life, I still have nightmares over this coin, man. Anytime I see someone with those SPX 6900 profile pictures, I have a nightmare. I'm telling you. Please help me. Someone save me, please. So right here, I'm telling you guys, this is where I could have bought SPX, man, and I didn't. Right here at 11 to 13 mil market cap. And I had more than enough money to buy like 1 to 3 million coins, right? I just didn't diversify. This is why I say you got to diversify as well too. You see how they have sayings in crypto, DCA, never invest more than you're willing to lose, always take profits. My saying from now on, after missing SPX, is some exposure is better than no exposure. Just because you can't buy a big bag of Russell, don't mean you don't buy something. Just because you can't buy a big bag don't mean you don't buy some, man. Because I could have bought even just 500,000 SPX tokens, just 500,000. It bled down, and then Murad and talked about it. Everything happened, and then bam, explosion up. And I saw it pumping. I saw it at 23 mil. I was like, oh, it's gonna cool off. It didn't cool off. It didn't cool off. Oh my! It didn't cool off. It went straight to $1 billion market cap. Cooled off for like a month, and then went to 2 billion market cap, 1.5. Right? Insanity. So my 500k tokens at the time would have been like, it didn't hit $1 exactly, but it'd have been like 400 something k from 500k tokens, which was at the time like $6,000 at the time, $7,000, right? Insanity. I'm telling you, I still got nightmares over this coin, man. But this is why I say Russell might be in that same spot, right? It already had that bleed down, it had the catalyst, and now once Russell goes on to make a new high, past the 21 million, 25 million market cap level, you could see this massive expansion, just like what SPX 6900 did, right? Obviously, there's no like front leader that is talking about it. There's no front leader that is bull posting Russell here, but there's a strong community. Oh, it did hit $2. Crazy. It did hit $2. That's 2 billion, man. That's insane, man. I'm kind of like just reminiscing and like want to break down in tears right now, but but yeah guys, I'm just laughing through the pain, man. But yeah, that's why I see Russell, man. This is a potential that Russell has. And you know what Russell does have, even though it doesn't have a Murad, it has Brian Armstrong catalyst, and it does have Elon catalyst as well, which is very possible here for Russell, man. It's very possible for Russell. So as always, guys, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. Really appreciate it. And I'll catch you in the next one.